Hey, what's up, y'all? Tony here from the Mushroom Block, themushroomblock.com, and today we are out here in the kitchen cooking up these really cool golden enoki mushrooms into the crunchiest, most addictive tenders you've probably ever tasted. No meat required. From tote to table, you'll see why these golden enoki mushrooms just isn't an ingredient, it's an experience. Now, the scientific name of this mushroom is called Flammulina veluteipes. Cultivating these mushrooms is pretty easy and simple, just as easy as oyster mushrooms. One of the main differences is that these mushrooms actually thrive in high CO2 and lower temperatures. I first started by separating and trimming this massive cluster into bite-sized tenders, but feel free to make them into whatever shape and size you would like. For this recipe, we keep it pretty simple, utilizing ingredients that most people have at home that include spices, water, and flour. And essentially what we're looking to do is to make a pancake-like consistency, and that's going to be your batter. And then we get our sliced mushrooms, dip them in the wet batter, and then we toss them into the dry flour. Once you have your wet batter prepared, we're going to move on to our dry flour mixture. Again, keeping it simple: flour, salt, pepper, and a Ziploc bag. And this is actually what we're going to toss our mushrooms in after we dunk them in our wet batter. Bow, into the hot oil they go. Watch those babies fluff up and get crispy. This is some real magical isms right here. Once it's golden brown, remove it from the oil, hit it with a quick seasoning, and you're golden. You got your crunchy mushroom tenders, great for dipping, snacking, or topping a sandwich. Trust me, once you try this, you'll be hooked. Yo, thanks a lot for hanging out with the Mushroom Block. If you want more fun ways to cook mushrooms like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and let me know what your favorite dipping sauce is below. Much love, y'all. Peace. You ready? Oh, sorry. Let's run that back. Let's try that again. Just let me know when you go. Golden enoki all fried up, ready to get crunched up in our mouths for sure. Golden enoki, all beautifully all fried up, beautifully. Not a word. At the end, I like to hit it with a little salt and pepper. And personally, I'm pretty basic, so I just enjoy it with hot sauce. Maybe even healthier. But who knows? This is fun.